common question that we get asked is, now that June 30th is passed, can I still apply to get my record expunged? The answer is yes, absolutely. You can still apply to get your record expunged. So what has changed since June 30th is, unfortunately, it has become a little bit more expensive to clear your criminal record, and that's because of the government fees that are charged. So as of July 1st, you are going to pay two sets of fees that didn't exist before. The first set of fees is charged by the Department of Public Safety. It's charged by a division called BCI. So when you file an application to expunge your record, that's going to cost $65. That's the same as before. What is new is for each of the cases that you have, you are now going to be charged $65 per case by BCI to get what's called a certificate of eligibility. This is a document that you're going to need in order to even get to the court process. So once you apply to BCI and you get your certificates of eligibility, you are now ready to start the court process. Unfortunately, since June 30th has passed, there are also fees on the court side. Filing fees are set by the Administrative Office of the Courts, and for an expungement, it costs $150 per expungement. Let's talk about how these fees can add up. So on the BCI side, it's going to cost $65 to apply and then $65 for each certificate of eligibility. So for instance, if you had 3 records that you were looking to expunge, you would need to pay $65 for the application and then $65 3 times for each of those cases. That's going to be $195. So if you have 3 cases, you've applied, you have your certificates of eligibility, you now have to pay a filing fee for each case that you want to file with the court. So if you had 3 cases, that's going to be $150 times 3, or $450 that you're going to have to pay to the court.